Hello guys, today I will gonna showing in this video how to this outline effect in your photo. So first of all, simply input your photo, then go to quick selection tools and select subject, make duplicate layer, shortcut key Ctrl+Z in keyboard. Now you can select text tool, select horizontal type tool, click layer, add layer. Now text, now type your text, then you can Ctrl+T. Now text set up your position, click right. Now click duplicate layer, then duplicate image, drag and here, select create copy layer, fill 0%. Now select copy layer, then click FX, click stock, select your background text layer white, stock 8. Okay, now you can see it, this effect already applied this photo. So please subscribe and like in video.